Hey, all you cool cats and kittens. Oh, just kidding. We're doing makeup today. We're going to start with our eyes first, and we're going to use this stuff to just put on your little blender thing and throw it on there. We're also going to do Norvina Collection, ABH. I'm not sure what number we're using, but it looks like a rose red pink thing. Make sure you put it over your eyes and get that color really on there. It'll be real nice when you're done. Make sure it's packed in real good, real nice. Yeah, all right. So just keep getting on the corner of the eye there. It'll be real good. Go under the eyebrow towards the front of the eyeball. Yeah, there you go, down by the lash. We're gonna use yellow next. And you're gonna blend it in there. Use your Fenty Beauty, I'm guessing it's a mirror. Not sure what that stuff is, but yeah, it got up there. That's fine, because you're going to put the color up there anyways. It's where the eye bends into the eye socket of the eyelid. I'm not sure what it's called, to be completely honest with you, but make sure you have a little dance session in there. Yeah. All right, so back at it. We're still working on the eyeball here, and just really get it in there. You want to mix the colors nice. Yeah, don't forget this thing here. It's glittery. So spray the hell out of that brush and don't choke. So back to your Fenty Beauty mirror to make sure you know what you're doing here. You want to look at it and look at it good. You want to be like, hey, look at this. Look at that. Yeah. All right, so it's really in there now. So you just want to make sure you blend it all together. This is a glitter, so don't forget to make sure you put it on there good. And we're gonna grab this Sharpie looking pen thing and really put it on there. That's definitely an eyeliner, so it's pretty permanent until you wipe it off. So it's only half permanent. It may be waterproof, it may not be waterproof. Not really sure. So just make sure you grab that Fenty Beauty mirror and you look at it and you really draw that line there. You're gonna really just put it out there and line it up and make sure you got it in there good. Wipe off all that fallout that you may have had from swiping your eyeballs. And we got a Fenty Beauty cream that we're putting on your face here, and you just want to put it on your hands and wipe it all around. Make sure you don't get the eyes, because you just did those. You don't want to mess it up. All right? Okay. So get it in there good like. Make sure you get all your cheeks in there, your zones underneath your eyes. There you go. Born This Way is now going on your hand. A little scratchy scratch, don't worry about that. Really just pat it on anywhere you want. Just throw it all over your face. That's okay. And wipe it and swipe it. That's what you're gonna do. So we're using our fingers for this one for now. And there it is. Wipe that off your hand. You don't want to get that everywhere. That's fine. So spray the hell out of another brush. This is called the Big Fan Billow brush thing. It's like a weeping willow tree, but without the bristles. You're just going to wipe that all over your face, wherever you put it. Really get it in there. You want to have some full coverage here. Really get her going. So the next point is to, make sure you don't get it over the eyes that you've already done. You don't want to do that. So next thing is a thing by Tarte. You're going to put it on your little cheeks there, and we're going to rock it here. So use your little swiper brush to swipe it on there. And next up, we're probably going to use, oh no, where'd it go? There it is. We got a little fan brush thing here. Make sure you got this. If you don't, good luck. All right, you want to get it in underneath the eyeball. Really put it down there. You're kind of chiseling out your face just a little bit. And there we go. If you need to, use your finger. Don't forget the nose and the forehead and the little little spots on your face. That's great. A little bit of face paint never hurt anybody. That's what we're here for anyways. And just wipe it in there with that same little fan brush. And there we go. All right. Now this is really just going to highlight any of your facial features that you want to accent just a bit. And use that big fan. Oh, we're back to a little sponge job. There we go. Yeah. You just throw it on your nose a little bit. Get all those spaces that you just had with the cream and the fan brush. Just hit it all. That's okay. Just make sure you get it all. Again, do not put it over any of the eye makeup that you did previously. It's bad for business. All right, now we got this big powder thing. Look at that. Yeah. We're focused up, folks. All right, so since this is a powder, you don't want to shake it. You don't want to get it everywhere. You got to put it where it needs to go. So we're just going to throw it back on this little sponge thing. Not sure if it's clean or wet. It's a sponge. That's fine. You're dipping the powder in there. Dipping that in the powder and just, throwing it under your eyeballs, on your nose, where you just put everything else before. And in the little zones here, straight down the face. That's okay. It's going to dry. You're going to look good. That's what we're here for. Don't forget to have fun with it. All right, time for eyebrows. You want to brush those little things with your spoolie. Yeah, I know the name. Hey, there we go. They're done. All right, now we're going to pick those two colors. Not sure what they are. Definitely start with an A, though. You're going to put that under the eye, and we're going to match it up to whatever's on the top there. Those definitely match. So that's pretty good. We're using Isabella eyelashes. And you don't want to go too crazy with the glue, but you want enough to stick it, or else, they'll fall off. If there's too much, you'll stick your eyeballs together. You won't be able to see for the night. So that's, you just got to do it right, okay? And we're going to use a little mascara here. Really get those eyelashes first. Make sure you don't stab yourself. It's never a good thing. There we go. Fan it out. Brush it, fan it, love it. Yeah. All right, so now you're going to get that Fenty Beauty mirror. You really stick those suckers on there. You want to put it where you drew the eyeliner before, so it doesn't look a little ridiculous. And there we go. Nice and purty. They're on there good. So now it's time to do the bottom ones. Do those second. You're just going to kind of, rub it on there. A little flick and a swoosh. Make sure you make a fun face when you do this as well. I'm sure everybody does. All right, now we have this gold thing, and you're going to use another big fan brush. You're going to put this on your cheeks. And maybe down on the lower part of your face as well. So make sure you partially smile, but don't smile at all, so you can really see where your cheeks are. And yeah, guessing this is a highlighter because she's just doing the highlights of her beauty. All right, we're going to use this other thing that opens and has makeup on the inside, and we're going to use that one right there. Okay, here we go. And wow, look at that color. Look at the pigment. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. You want to put it just on your cheeks with the rest of the highlight. Yeah, wipe it in there. Okay, look at that. We're going to use a Jacqueline powder. And again, it's a powder. Make sure you don't get it everywhere. You don't want to inhale it. You may get high. Nobody wants to do that, especially doing makeup. That's fine. You may want to do that. It's your life. And you just, again, want to put it on the highlights and just rub it in there. Get a nice highlight going. Here's a Morphe spray, and we're just going to spray yourself down. Not too much. Don't inhale it. You'll choke. It's okay. Breeze it off. You can use your hand to fan. Oh, now we're using some shiny stuff. Look at this. Watch this. Okay. That's that good stuff right there. This is maybe another highlighter. I don't know. There's probably like 5 on her right now. That's okay. So you just want to get your cheeks and, you know, a little bit of the bridge of your nose. Maybe a little Cupid's bow and chin action, cheek action. A lot of action. There it is. You're shining now. Put that on there. Shine it up. Oh, sponge a little buff action. There it is. All right. Line the lips. You want to line it first, kind of like coloring inside the lines. So you want to make that line first. Make sure you got a, color that complements you or the look that you're going for. And really just put it on there. Line up what you need to do. And yeah, put it in there. Look at that. Stay inside the lines, create the line, and stay inside of it. You don't want to go all crazy. And now we're going to use a nice little gloss here. There it is. Again, stay inside the lines, folks. You don't want to overdraw it because it looks ridiculous. There it is. Look at that. Rub those lips together. Really rub them. Use your fingers if you need to. That's fine. And that's it. That's the look. I hope you guys enjoyed my interpretation here. Take care.